All right, so this one here is asking me basically a general question about what could happen to this graph. All right, and we have to think about what would happen. So it's a really goofy looking thing, and it's kind of a stupid thing to do, but I could very easily just pick a number for A and put that in there. But what's going to happen is we're going to get 4x to the third here. All right, so that's either going to look like that or like that. All right, that's what it's going to look like. This is if it's positive. This is if it's negative, meaning the leading coefficient. So it's got a 4. All right, so it's going to look like this one right here. All right. So as x approaches negative infinity, f of x approaches negative infinity. All right, so negative infinity this way, negative infinity that way. So as x approaches negative infinity, f of x is going to approach negative infinity. This one says it's approaching positive infinity, so it's not that one, and so does that one. All right. And then it says as x approaches negative infinity, so everything else is good, and it says how many intercepts it has. All right. 4x intercepts. It shouldn't be able to have 4x intercepts. So I'm going to go with this, and I'm trying to think if a is an integer. So let's bring the calculator up. This is what I do in situations like this. I'm positive it's only 3. I don't know how it could possibly even have 4. But let's do this. Let's do 4x to the second times x minus, and I'm just going to pick a number here, 5 minus x minus 5. And I just picked a number for a. Oh, it's plus a. X plus 5. Make sure I got that right. X plus a in parentheses, then minus x minus a. If it's an integer, enter. Let's hit graph and see what she looks like. All right, so that has 3. And I just the basic shape of that thing is that it goes up and then down and then back up. So it could either have, it could have 3x intercepts. There's no way it can have 4. So I'm definitely right. It's number 2. All right. There's no way that it would have to turn again. And an x to the third doesn't turn again ever. It just turns twice.